Okay, we're inside the one-man bivvy tarp. Yeah, it's raining outside. Maybe you can hear it. Anyway, this tarp is designed just to fit over a bivvy, a Gore-Tex bivvy bag, just to keep the rain off you. It's still nylon, and there's a pole in the middle here. So basically I can fit up to this pole. My head just goes to the side of the pole here, and in there would be bag space for my bike bags. There's a wee vent there that I've not opened, but you can open that up, peg it out. So two-way zip on the door. Just look out the door here. There's the dog. My bag over there getting wet. It's quite a damp. I think the rain's just stopped now. Anyway, you've just got enough room. That's my feet here, and you've got a couple of feet further on. So I'd say the overall length of this tarp tent is about 10.5 feet, maybe 11 feet long, and it's wide enough for one person. Let's say you can get there's plenty of room for your bags. I've got plenty of room at the back here. Come in. I've just got a polythene ground sheet down just now, and then you've got all that space in there for your bags, which is pretty good. I'm just going to pop outside and give you a look from outside. It's got Velcro tabs there, you can hang me up. Anyway, it's looking nice and wet. That would last pretty good. That would do well now. It's just for bike packing, you see. It weighs with the pegs it weighs a little over, it's about 3/4 pound with pegs. I actually designed it to be put up with a line between two trees that attaches to this. That's what it's designed for, but you can use a pole. You go in the middle of a field, you go in the middle of a field and there's no trees, you can use a pole to put it up. You can see the water's just running off. I don't know if you ever made sill nylon, but it is hell of a waterproof. Nothing's going through that baby. And then I've got a Gore-Tex bivvy bag for extra protection. So that's a one person bivvy tarp, handmade, homemade. Cost me around about £10 to make. Thank you.